Looking for delicious and healthy smoothie recipes for weight loss? Well, you're in the right place. You see, smoothies are a fantastic way to pack in nutrients without packing on the pounds. They are an essential part of a weight loss regimen, as they are bursting with vitamins and minerals, yet are low in calories. But the magic doesn't stop there. Smoothies are also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer, curbing those unnecessary snack cravings throughout the day. Plus, they're quick and easy to prepare, making them the perfect choice for those on-the-go mornings or post-workout nourishment. And the best part, the possibilities are endless. You can mix and match fruits, veggies, and proteins to create a smoothie that suits your taste buds and nutritional needs. So, are you ready to blend your way to better health and weight loss? Scene script. First up, we have the Green Machine Smoothie. Let's dive right into this nutrient powerhouse that's not only going to tantalize your taste buds, but also aid in your journey towards a healthier you. You'll need some spinach, a green apple, a cucumber, and a handful of chia seeds. Sounds simple, right? But don't be fooled. Each of these ingredients is a health hero in its own right. Let's start with spinach. Often hailed as a superfood, it's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, all of which play significant roles in maintaining your overall health. Moreover, it's low in calories, making it ideal for those looking to shed some pounds. Next up is the humble green apple. It's not just for keeping the doctor away, it's high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer. This, in turn, can help you avoid overeating and thus assist in weight loss. Plus, the tartness of the green apple balances the earthy flavor of the spinach beautifully. Then we have the cucumber, a refreshing veggie that's over 90% water. Hydration is key to weight loss, and cucumbers can help you stay hydrated. They're also low in calories and high in fiber, a winning combination for anyone looking to lose weight. Finally, we sprinkle in some chia seeds for an extra punch of health benefits. These tiny seeds are loaded with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. They can absorb a lot of water, expanding in your stomach to make you feel full and reduce your appetite. Blend all these ingredients together until smooth, and voila! A delicious, nutrient-rich smoothie is ready to fuel your day. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. It's all about finding the right balance and making smart choices. There you have it, the Green Machine Smoothie, a powerhouse of nutrition and a great addition to your weight loss plan. Next, we bring you the Berry Blast Smoothie. This smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrition and flavor, packed with antioxidants to give your body a boost. So let's dive right in and whip up this delicious, healthful treat. To start, we'll need a generous helping of mixed berries. You can use any combination of strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These small but mighty fruits are loaded with antioxidants, which help to fight off harmful free radicals in the body. They're also high in fiber, a crucial component for weight loss, as it helps you feel satiated longer, curbing those midday snack cravings. Next, we'll add in some Greek yogurt. Now, Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein, another key player in weight loss. Protein helps to build and maintain lean muscle mass, which in turn burns more calories, even at rest. Plus, it's got this creamy, tangy flavor that balances out the sweetness of the berries perfectly. Then we're going to add a touch of honey. Honey is not just there to sweeten the deal, but it also offers its own array of health benefits. It's a natural energy source and contains antioxidants, much like our berries. Remember, moderation is key here. We want just enough to enhance the natural sweetness of the berries and yogurt, without going overboard. Now that we've got all our ingredients ready, it's time to blend them all together. As you watch the berries, Greek yogurt, and honey swirl together, you'll see a deep, rich color develop. That's when you know your Berry Blast smoothie is ready. Pour it into your favorite glass, take a sip, and let the tangy sweetness of the berries, the creaminess of the Greek yogurt, and the subtle hint of honey take over your taste buds. That's the Berry Blast smoothie, a delightful mix of taste and health benefits perfect for your weight loss journey. Enjoy this smoothie as a breakfast option or a midday snack. Either way, it's a delicious and nutritious choice to help you on your path to a healthier you. Now, let's dive into the Tropical Delight smoothie. This smoothie is like a mini vacation in a glass, transporting you to a tropical paradise with every sip. It's packed with delicious, healthy ingredients that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also contribute to your weight loss goals. Let's start with the key ingredients. First up, we have the pineapple. This tropical fruit is more than just a sweet treat. It's rich in vitamin C, which boosts your immune system, and an enzyme called bromelain, which aids digestion and reduces inflammation. Pineapples are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for weight loss. Next, we have mangoes, the king of fruits. Mangoes are packed with vitamins A and C, and they're an excellent source of dietary fiber. The fiber aids digestion, keeps you feeling full for longer, and thus helps to control overeating. Last, but definitely not least, is coconut water. This hydrating ingredient is low in calories, high in potassium, and is an excellent source of electrolytes. It helps to keep your body hydrated and feeling refreshed. So how do you put all these together to create a tropical delight smoothie? It's super easy. You'll need a cup of fresh pineapple chunks, a ripe mango, and a cup of coconut water. Put all the ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. If you prefer a colder smoothie, feel free to add a few ice cubes. This tropical delight smoothie is not just a refreshing beverage. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that supports your health and weight loss journey. The natural sugars in the fruits provide an energy boost, while the fiber keeps you feeling satisfied. Drinking this smoothie is a delicious and easy way to incorporate more fruits into your diet. Remember, weight loss isn't just about cutting calories. It's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients, and this smoothie does just that. And there you have the Tropical Delight Smoothie, a refreshing beverage that's not just delicious, but also aids in your weight loss. These smoothie recipes are not just delicious, they're also packed with nutrients that can aid in weight loss. Let's take a moment to recap the power-packed recipes we've shared today. The Green Machine Smoothie, a blend of spinach, apple, and avocado, is a fiber-rich drink that can keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. Its high fiber content aids digestion and promotes gut health, both of which are vital for weight loss. Then we have the Berry Blast Smoothie, a powerhouse of antioxidants from the mixed berries and the added chia seeds. This smoothie is not only a delight to your taste buds, but it also helps to reduce inflammation in the body and enhance your metabolism. Our last recipe, the Tropical Delight Smoothie, is a refreshing mix of pineapple, mango, and coconut water. This smoothie is packed with vitamin C and hydration, both of which can help to keep your skin glowing and your body functioning at its best. But remember, weight loss is not just about what you eat or drink. It's about embracing a healthy lifestyle that includes regular physical activity, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep. Incorporating these smoothies into your daily routine is a great step, but don't forget to pair them with whole foods, lean proteins, and lots of colorful vegetables. Take a brisk walk in the park, do some yoga, or simply dance to your favorite tunes. Keep your body moving, and don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Your body needs this time to repair and rejuvenate, and a lack of sleep can often lead to weight gain. So go ahead. Give these recipes a try. Feel free to experiment with different fruits, veggies, and seeds. Keep it exciting and make these smoothies a part of your journey towards a healthier, happier you. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and every nutritious meal brings you one step closer to your goal. Enjoy these smoothies and stay healthy.